Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are gonna be doing another .me video. So let's go on to .me. Need to do my password. No, don't worry about that. Okay. I'm trying to move it back a bit so you guys can see. Don't worry about that. Okay. Let's go on to Roblox. Yeah, is this better for you guys? Yeah. Also, I have a big surprise for you. I'll show you. Oh, is it gonna be like a few days? Yeah, just a few. Guess what? Look, make a neon pen and then I get that. I'm so excited. Okay, let's get started. I need to trade or make it. It doesn't say trade. Dang it, I can't trade it. No. I need to actually make one. Oh yeah, I forgot. So like and subscribe to my channel. Okay. So. Whoa, this server is really busy. How did I get that car? I want one. Ah! Oh, whoa. Okay, let's fly on Starburst, our unicorn. Oh, no, we'll just ride. Oh. I think I have enough money to buy a Mythical Egg of Cryptic. What should I buy? Mythical Egg of Cryptic. You guys are telling... Is that fair trade, guys? I don't know. A Flora Cow for a Neon Flower and Unicorn. For free. She said for free. Can I offer? Okay, she added a... Oh, no, she just took out a dodo. She added a dodo, a T-Rex. Oh! Oh! I don't know. Guys, this is a fair... This is like a very fair trade. Oh, they took it out. Oh, what are they gonna add? Oh, they added that. Oh, Rajetti. Okay, let's decline this trade because I don't really like it. And I'm never trying to Starburst. Never. So I still need to change my username. What should I buy? Cryptic or should I buy Mythical Egg? You guys are telling me to buy the Cryptic to get 4 cats. I'm going to buy it. 1, 2. I can only buy 2, but I'm still going to work to get 2 more. See if I get cats. Okay, so I hope I get a cat from this one. Okay, I'm going to be starting hatching it. Okay, let's go to the server. So my friend just teleported me. See that I'm doing a YouTube vid now. Okay, where is she actually? Oh, she's there. Friend. Really? Hi. I'm doing a YouTube vid right now. I'm doing a video right now. I'm a YouTuber. Hey, do you have 2 cracked eggs for a video? Do you have 2 cracked eggs for video? Also, do you have 2 cracked eggs for my video? No, sorry, I only have 1. Okay. Or you can just give me 1. That doesn't matter. Or you could just give me 1. That doesn't matter. I can give you it. TY. Also, my YouTube video is called Watermelon Crunch Gaming Show. Oh, dang it, hashtag out. Okay, guys, she gave us the cracked eggs, look. Yay! Okay, so I'm happy. Let's see if we get cats. Okay, I'm gonna see if we can actually get cats. I just want to see. Oh, I don't know what else in there, but I kind of like this server. I'm gonna send a party message to see if anyone has just like 3 cats. I think 3 cats. Yeah, I just want 3 cats. Dang it! I don't have that. I don't have that magic door thing. I traded it. I remember. Okay, let's just roll. Okay. Where's my hair?